how's it going? After 2 days, or after more like 2.5 days here in Singapore, I'm back in the Changi International Airport, and I'm flying out to Bali, Indonesia today, which is an island not too far from the north coast of Australia, and I'm going to be there for the next 2 weeks doing some scuba, some swimming, beach stuff, maybe some surfing, I'm not sure, but I got to catch my flight first. Well, the automated check-in system didn't work, so I have to go back to the desks. Good morning, how are you? Good morning. You having a good morning?
Good morning to you. Bali, gate number you have to check inside.
Okay, thank you. Have a good day. They now call checking in with a human being assistance. Tax refund? Done. Well, if what I just went through was considered immigration and security, that was probably the easiest it's ever been. I literally just scanned my bag, I didn't even go through a metal detector, they stamped my passport, and I'm into the main terminal, I think. But I wouldn't be surprised if I had to do that all again right before the gate. And it looks like I'll have to go through security right before the flight. That filter I got by Polar Pro is actually a red filter for my GoPro because I'm going to Bali and I'll probably be doing a lot of underwater activities, which it helps get a clearer picture underwater instead of that kind of greenish look that you've been seeing. Alright, now it's time to go through security and check in for this flight. Not usually excited for flights, but I'm excited for this one because it's the first time in 26 years that I will be, well, it's the first time in my 26 years at least that I will be crossing the equator.
Internet or electronically contained delivery system is not permitted on all Asia flights. Thank you and have a pleasant flight. Pakai masker.
We expect to arrive at Bali is 15 minutes to 3 in the afternoon, subject to the traffic at Bali.
It's officially my first time in the Southern Hemisphere. Number 86? 86? Hey, Yulia. So how are you doing today?
No good.
No good?
Very quiet. Too many taxi maybe.
Not enough people.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Alright, so I'm all checked into my hostel for the night, and I'm gonna go relax, maybe have a cup of tea, and figure out if there's anybody here to do anything with. tonight for me is just going to be a really chill night. I'm actually going to get some work done on the computer. Unfortunately, it is this beautiful out when I have to do work, so oh well. I'll be here for 2 weeks though, so I'm going to see a lot of stuff and a lot of good sunsets, I'm sure. If you like these videos, please don't forget to subscribe below or in the right hand corner of this video. It does help me and this channel out to keep bringing you travel content. And last but not least, you don't have to spend a fortune to have an adventure. Mom, I think you'd like this place.